Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your display language in Microsoft Edge browser. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Edge browser. Having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to this three dots right here. This is going to drop down. Next thing you want to do is to simply come down to the bottom right here, click on settings, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to languages right here, just like so. Now this is going to pump up. You have to come to your preferred language right here. So preferred languages, then what you need to do, if you want to switch from by default language, which is my language right here is English. If you want to add additional language that is going to change the entire display of your Edge browser, what you need to do is simply click on add language. Then when you click on add languages, you have a lot of languages right here. You can simply scroll down and choose any one of it right here. So if you want to switch to whatever language right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down and choose the right language you want to choose. Let's, for instance, I want to choose the language from English language to Chinese. Simply select on Chinese. Then you have to come down below here. Make sure you click on add language. And with that, your language display on Microsoft Edge will change automatically. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your display language in Microsoft Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.